Join me as I challenge myself to achieve that coveted glass skin look in just 10 steps. Our skin can be super sensitive, and it's hard to find products that won't irritate it. Or we might be dealing with hyperpigmentation, which can leave us feeling self-conscious and unsure of how to tackle it. Perhaps we're struggling with acne scars, or the aftermath of a brutal breakout that's left our skin looking dull and lackluster. I've been in your shoes, and I've struggled with these same issues. But with the right techniques, products, and mindset, we can overcome even the toughest skin challenges. Remember, everyone's skin is different, and what works for someone else may not work for you. So, it's essential to find a routine that's tailored to your unique skin type and needs. It's not about following every trend or trying every new product that hits the market. It's about finding what works for you and sticking to it. The 10 essential steps to achieve glass skin. Step number 1 is to double cleanse, using a gentle oil-based cleanser followed by a water-based cleanser. This will help to remove dirt, makeup, and impurities, while also balancing the skin's pH. Exfoliate using a chemical exfoliant containing alpha-hydroxy acids or beta-hydroxy acids. This will help to break down dead skin cells and reveal brighter, smoother skin. For step 3, we're going to tone using a toner that's rich in antioxidants and has a pH level that's close to the skin's natural pH. Step 4 is to use an essence, which is a concentrated serum that's packed with active ingredients. Essences help to deliver these ingredients deep into the skin, where they can really make a difference. Step 5 is to apply a serum that targets your specific skin concerns, whether that's acne, aging, or hyperpigmentation. Next, we're going to moisturize using a gentle, hydrating moisturizer that's formulated for our skin type. Step 7 is to apply a night cream, which is specifically designed to target the delicate skin around our eyes. Step 8 is to use a face mask once or twice a week, depending on our skin type and concerns. This will help to deep clean the skin and provide an intense dose of hydration. For step 9, we're going to practice good sun protection, using a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30. Step 10 is to get enough sleep and try to manage our stress levels. This is crucial because when we're well rested and our stress levels are in check, our skin looks more radiant and more vibrant. The key to achieving glass skin is consistency. You can't just follow this routine for a week and then expect to see results. You have to commit to it and make it a part of your daily routine. I know it can be challenging, especially when we're busy or when we don't see results right away. But trust me, it's worth it. I've seen the transformation in my own skin, and I know that you can too. If you've enjoyed the video, consider subscribing for more skincare content.